Paano yung mga ibang electric cooperative na medyo poor service din? Dapat ba matakot na rin sila?
The electrical cooperatives were created with the consumers as members. Yun ang concept behind that. So that lahat ng kumukuha ng kuryente doon sa electrical cooperative na yan, membro sila. So yun ang trabaho lang ng electrical cooperative ay kumuha ng kuryente sa national grid at i-distribute sa local. Over the years, ang mga linagay sa board ng electrical cooperative, political appointee. Walang alam dun sa patakbo ng electrical cooperative. Kaya nagkaganyan.
Same for
Every
water.
time you make it political, the competence level drops. I'm sorry. But that's the fact of the matter.
But in water services as well, no? I mean,
That's another
we've seen
very
problems
big
there as well.
problem. That's another very big problem.
Oh.
Dahil we have these big service providers supposed to be, pero hindi maayos na naman ang patakbo. You have areas that are very close to Manila that do not have water for 12 hours a day.
Binanggit nyo kanina na pag pinapasukan ng politiko, medyo nagkaka-problema. May hinanakit ba kayo sa mga Villar? Kasi it so happens lang naalala ko yung Prime Water and Sipcor, both owned by the Villar family.
None of this is personal. You know, they're friends of mine and I respect them, but we have to fix the problem. Ako naman, we have to fix the problem. People have to have electricity. People have to have water. So whatever the reason is, let's fix it. Let's fix it. Let's just fix it. Help me fix it. I cannot fix it on my own. You need to help me.
Okay. Pag-usapan naman natin si dating PNP Chief Nick Torres.
Oh, si Nick.
Ano ba talaga yung dahilan kung bakit siya natanggal sa pwesto? Sabi raw, yung mga sabi-sabi, may mga gusto siyang ibalik sa PNP na hindi naman dapat.
Hindi ganun. Napakasimple lang. Hindi talaga sila magkasundo ng NAPOLCOM. Talaga sinasabi niya, I don't agree with what they do. Pinapaliwanag, nag-uusap nga kami, sabi ko, kay chain of command yan, that's the civilian authority, hindi mo pwedeng hindian yan. Sabi niya, hindi ko talaga kayang gawin, sabi ko, i-relieve kita. Sabi niya, what can I do? I think he was also like a good commander, he was protecting his people.
So wala namang loss of confidence?
No, he did ang galing na pulis.
Pinuri niyo pa sa SONA.
Ang galing na pulis. Talaga, so, don't worry. Ako, pag kami nakilala ko na marunong na ganyan, it just has to find his niche kung ano ba talaga his specialty niya is police work. And so we'll find a way to avail of his talents.